Hi, and welcome to the demonstration of Shopisight by Device Math Solutions. In this video, we will cover the store performance module and understand what is the information being shown and how we can use this to improve our business performance. Let's get into it. Now, the store performance module can be accessed under the overview heading on the left side of the app, and it shows you all the key metrics related to your business, such as sales, new customers, discounts, items ordered, cancelled orders, average order value, units per transaction, and repeat customers. It also shows you the category performance overview for your business. The top performing categories are shown in terms of the amount of sales that they have contributed to your business. Also shown here is the top products, which is sorted in decreasing order of the sales contribution. All of this information can be viewed based on specific time periods as selected from this drop down menu. Here we see the same information for this particular month to date. This information can also be viewed for this particular week. And also for the preceding 2 years in order for ease of comparison. All the definitions for the KPIs mentioned, such as the day, week, previous 2 years, and the key performance indicators such as repeat customers, shipping, average order value, average revenue per customer are mentioned on the right hand side and can be accessed through this toggle. Now, what do we mean by using this information to improve our business? Now, let's take the example of the average order value. Now, what is average order value and what does it mean when we look at this number? Now, here 6.94K refers to the average order value for this particular store. What it means is that on average, every order that is placed is 6.94K. This means that this metric gives you an understanding of how much each customer is spending per transaction on your store. Now, this metric can be extremely helpful as increasing this means that you are able to generate higher profits for your store. It is best to consider this metric and assess it on a weekly or monthly basis to check how well your store is performing. Now, when it comes to the average revenue per customer or ARPC, what does this mean? ARPC refers to the average revenue that a given customer brings in during a particular period. Now, what this means is that your store can generate revenues from a particular customer across one order or two or three orders. What this means is that a given customer if a given customer is spending more on your store, it means that you are not required to spend as much on marketing to the same customer as customers are returning to your store. Let's move on to UPT or units per transaction. What does UPT tell you? UPT gives you a picture of how many items your store is able to sell to a particular customer in a particular transaction. Now, when it comes to the units per transaction metric, an increase in this metric means that your store has more items which are of interest to a particular customer. Obviously, as a store owner, you would like that customer does not just buy one item per transaction, but more than one item per transaction. The category performance and top products tables give you an idea of which categories and which products you need to focus on in order to improve their sales, or you can focus on doubling down on the existing products and categories which are doing well in order to generate even more sales. Thank you for attending this demo.